Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel English with Iffee. In today's lesson I'm gonna let you know the other ways you can use instead of a little or little. So a little and little के मैं आपको synonyms बताने जा रहा हूँ. Like number 1 a tad, number 2 a wee, number 3 a drop, number 4 teeny weeny, number 5 bitsy, number 6 itsy, and number 7 I think a bit. Okay, so if you know few more words, then don't forget to write in the comments below. So I'll be waiting for your words. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you very much.